Hey guys, I'm Michael Paa. I'm at the IWA 23 at the booth from Leader Trading, Distributeur in Germany. I searched for handguns at his booth and I figured out two different companies, Stoeger Arms and Armscor. So let's start with the Stoeger Arms on the left side. They have mainly three systems here, but I also heard that there's a fourth system, number 4, and the number 4 will be a subcompact model, but we will see it in the future. So start with the models he has here on the table. First, the 9C compact version. It has a standard trigger, optic ready platform. Well to know is that all the platforms from Stoeger have the optic ready, and the only difference between the compact and the standard model and the S-Combat model is that the other two models having a kind of match trigger. It's standing on point and very smooth for shooting, no scratching in the trigger. And additional, in the combat version, you have the threaded barrel, the higher sights for the comp or for the silencer when you're using it, and the jet funnel. Basically, he is selling all these models in 9mm caliber in Germany, maybe in the future as well in different calibers, but check it out at his website. So let's speak about the other brand, Armscor, so Rock Island. Maybe some of the guys heard about. I found two different models, like the STK 100. It's cutted slide, optic ready platform, good mag release button, and a really good trigger. Why? Because the gun is a fully aluminum gun. It's a little bit heavy, perfect for smooth shooting, and really good produced from the quality. The other gun, like a self-defense gun, it's a 1911 platform, subcompact in caliber 380. Magazine capacity, he told me it's 7 rounds, and the trigger is not like a match trigger, it's really hard, but as well you use the gun for self-defense or as hunter, so you don't want that the shot getting off itself. So also very good. That are the best information from the leader booth at the IWA. Thank you guys.